Hi, welcome to RAR Math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on radicals. In this video I am going to reduce this fractional radical. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to notice that there are 10 w's in the numerator, 5 in the denominator. I'm going to reduce the fraction. I'm going to end up with the square root of 25w to the 5th over 169 y cubed. Okay, so 25 is 5 times 5, and w to the 5th, there's 5 w's. 169 is 13 squared, so 13 times 13, and we have 3 y's. Don't worry, I didn't forget that square root. All right. 5 times 5 is 5 squared, and the square root of 5 squared is 5. W times w is w squared, and the square root of w squared is w. W. This w doesn't have a partner, so it stays under the square root. Don't worry, you can just write it in the numerator. Square root of 13 times 13 is 13. We have a pair of y's that come out, but the thing is, and the part I didn't tell you about, was part of this process is something called rationalizing the denominator. And the word rationalizing the denominator means we want to get all radicals out of the denominator. So right now I have a square root of y left in the denominator, and that's not okay. So what I need to do is I need to multiply a square root of y to both the numerator and denominator under the square root in both cases so that I get a pair of y's that can come out. So this leaves me with the answer 5w squared times the square root of wy all over 13y squared. Okay, now on a side note, I could have simplified this problem by rewriting it as 25w to the 4th w over 169 y squared y. Noted I needed another y to have 2 y squareds. Because we can think of the square root of something as being that thing to a 1/2, when I pull a variable out, I'm dividing the exponent in half. Square root of 25 is 5, half of 4 is 2. Square root of 169 is 13. 1, 2. And I'm getting the same answer, but I'm using the rules of exponents and square roots versus the rules of expanding. Both work. One is not better than the other method. There are 2 ways to approach the problem, and you just have to figure out the one you like better. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks!